There are a number of techniques for channel setting. In this video, I will focus on the double undercut technique. For this video, you will need a channel set ring. I'm using a 4-stone ring, CZs or diamonds that are the appropriate size and quantity for your channel. They should match each other in size perfectly. Stone setter's wax, a 70-degree heart burr that is slightly smaller than your stones, your GRS benchmate system or a ring holder, a hammer setting tool, a flat or barrette needle file, a scribe, dividers, a stone pusher, a Sharpie, silicone wheels, one with a knife edge, a felt polishing buff for your flex shaft, a polishing machine, and an ultrasonic. Start by finding the center of your channel. You can do this with your dividers. To keep the stones from moving, I will smear a thin layer of stone setter's wax on the top of the channel. I will be using a 70-degree heart burr that is 2 millimeters in size. As the burr cuts into the rail, I will stand the burr upright as it clears the opposite side. After the stones are in their seats, check the alignment and spacing. Begin to tighten the side with the deeper cut first, then move to the opposite side. This bevel should run the length of the channel. I will pre-polish the channel with a small hard felt lap on a flex shaft. Remember to check the stones for tightness after cleaning. With a few simple steps, successful channel setting can be achieved.